I built an AI system that helped write a 90,000-word fantasy novel. It's now live on Amazon. Here's how. Design the world, magic system, and characters with AI assistance. 28 chapters written over weeks. AI for ideas, human for craft. Full editorial pass to ensure quality and consistency. The Unmade, Chronicles of the Sundered Realm. Live on Amazon. 90,000 words, full world building, Tolkien-style appendices. Kindle $4.99, paperback $14.99. Search Amazon or link in bio. Read The Unmade https://www.amazon.com/s?k=, the plus unmade plus m.f. plus colton. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.